I don't know anything about sports cars, but damn it, I'm gonna pretend to. We're gonna start this off with a sporty strut to the front. Let's go, alley girl. Hey, me too. Throw it back. Ferrari, slow. Here we go. Take it down your sexy body, good. Two more times. Throw it out, make it big. Dance like a group of hikers are watching you. Sporty strut.
Pretty blue street lights and my hazel eyes, and if it feels right, we could go again like
3-4 times is crazy.
Got butterflies, so good it hurts. Thinking about what we did.
Ferrari, flow.
First on the corner of my bed, oh, and maybe on the beach. You could do it on your own.
Go off-road, but take it slow. You are